Hey guys, it's Kiera from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on with our Clickbank case study. The reason why we're going to continue with our Clickbank case study because you guys made it pretty clear what video you guys like more. I like the Clickbank more. I get more views on the Clickbank stuff, so we're going to focus on Clickbank. All right. Anyway, let's come back here. We're on the page. We did not get a sale yesterday. I haven't been promoting Clickbank, so that makes sense. Right, let's go to marketplace here. Now what we're going to promote here, we're going to focus on what's been working. Definitely I think it's the best case. So we're going to go to social paid media here. I'm going to click on social paid media, and we are going to look at email swipes. That's what we want. All right, now there's a YouTuber who got some new swipes. That's what I'm going to use instead. I'm going to try one of these and see how it works out. So we're going to copy this. I'm going to promote it with myleadgensecret. Now if you don't know, myleadgensecret is a system in which you can log into, and basically you get emails, you get leads every day. You get 100 leads every single day, right? But you gotta, and once you get a sale in myleadgensecret, you get 200 leads every single day. Now that sounds too good to be true. The thing is, these are very cold leads. They are interested in making money online, but that's about it. Okay, so these are cold leads that you get. So you have to constantly mail them to get sales. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go into mailing system here. That boom, send out the emails. You can send it to 40,000 people now. That good stuff. So we're gonna go with this here. Copy this. So we're gonna replace the name here with rid of the bold, last bold. Anyway, place the name, first name. Right, so all we need is our signature, which is social page seems. Let's look at it. Whatever. All right, so we're gonna get this link 25 days. I'm gonna use this link here. Okay guys, now let's check here. Landing page, upload right here. Get out this one right here. Generate hot link. Boom. Copy. So we copied that one. Let's it works. So I'm gonna copy like that. We don't need no space in the front there. Make sure you don't have that, otherwise the link doesn't work. Put it in there with the space, it won't work. So hit that, hit bold, boom, boom, boom. Now perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it sends the email around the time that people usually check their emails, so it's better chance of them checking it out. So anyway, hit perfect timing, make sure it's on. Now we're gonna hit preview. We're gonna make sure the link works here. Link should work. Yeah, it works. All right, that's about it. I will send the email here. Just another quick scan. All right, yeah. See what happens. All right. Anyway, once you do that, you want to make another tab so you can send the email to your next account if you got 2 accounts. I got 3 accounts, so we send it to 3 different accounts. So we're gonna log out of this one. We're gonna log into the next account here. Log into my account. I'm gonna go to mailing system here. Boom. 181, right? And we just copy and paste here. And we see what happens. All right, guys. Continue doing this. Just gonna copy that. Change this to MLGS2 to the 1. All right. Send the email. What happens? And once you do this account, right? If you got multiple accounts, like I stated before, all you gotta do, log out, log into your next account here. Next we're gonna hit this button. Okay, we mailing all 9,000. Okay. And then we go. That. Boom. And you just change this to MLGS3. Done. Make sure the link works again. I know it works. Make sure it links. I make sure it registers. Well, let's see. Registering. Yes, registering. Let's see, it's 3. All right, so it works pretty fine here. So we're gonna just click to here, and we're gonna send the email once again. All right, boom. Now we'll see how that works out, guys. That's all there is to say about that, right? You can follow along. There are links in the description. You want to go into My Lead Gen Secrets. Also, you want to build a recurring income. They're saving Howard Global. There's a link in the description for that. They'll tell you all about that. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Because YouTube need more steps. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.